Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and then click on Sales. Go to Process and click on Sales Invoice. Select Branch. Select Currency. Select Cash Name. Write instructions. Select Customer. Select Sale Representative. Write remarks. Click on Add New. Select Item. Select Unit Type. Select Quantity. Select Unit Price. Select Discount. Select Discount Amount. Select VAT. Click on Save Invoice and click on Save and Index.